So for today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to install the Aipas S1 AMP bike. This bike is amazing. It's the most affordable bike that goes up to 50 miles per hour. Now, because it goes up to 50 miles per hour, just know, please, that it's considered a motorcycle. Off-trail, private property that you have access to, then you could ride this without any license, without any registration, without any problem. But once you decide to take this out to the road, then you have to register this bike with the DMV. So you have to get a license plate and it becomes officially a motorcycle. You have to be 16 years old and older to be able to ride this, but even then you have to get yourself a motorcycle permit, a motorcycle license to ride this bike. Definitely be safe. You want to wear all your protective gears riding this bike. I'm going to show you guys how to install this Aipas S1 AMP bike. Let's get to it.
Aipas S1 AMP is widely considered one of the best electric dirt bike. Other electric dirt bikes at this power is 3 times more expensive. The front tire is 14 inches and needs 30 psi, and the rear tire is 12 inches and is 36 psi. The S1 has a strong LED front light. It comes with a set of tools, wrenches, and hex keys and hex screws. First, install the shock absorbers. Note there's 2 washers inside that bolt, so make sure that's in there and tighten it as hard as you can. Next, grab the handlebars and unscrew the bolt with a hex key, and place the handlebars on top of the bars and rescrew the bolts. Use the hex key to hand tighten the handlebars. Take out the tiny bolts from the display with another hex key and then screw it back onto the mount. Adjust the display so you can see it clearly while you're sitting down, and then screw it tight with the X key so it doesn't move around. Take out the 3 bolts underneath. This is for the mud guards. Place the mud guards and screw back in the 3 bolts with a hex key. Place your bike on a stand so it's lifted so you have access to the front tires. Unscrew the bolt for the front tires. Place the tires and screw back in the bolt. Use the 2 wrench provided and hand tighten the front tires in place. Take out the screws from the brake and slide in that brake into the disc, and make sure that your wheel can turn while the brake is installed. Now screw in the brakes using the hex key. Adjust your brake handles and make sure your hand is parallel to your wrist and it's very comfortable for you to brake, and then use the hex key to tighten it in place. Do that to the right side as well. Connect the headlights to the bike. There's a little metal bracket that goes behind the headlight, so it gives a little gap before you screw in the headlight in place, so that all the wires are placed behind this headlight. It looks very clean. Take out those 2 bolts, and this is where you screw back in the chain guard. Hand tighten it with a hex key. Unscrew the tail light, and this is where your license plate is gonna go. Now, if you're riding this e-bike on a off-road trail, private property, or anything like that, then you could ride this without a license plate. But I'm planning on taking this bike on the streets, so I'm getting myself a license plate, registering it, insuring it, and all that good stuff to stay street legal. I also got myself some affordable rear view mirrors from Amazon. Very easy to install. I'm all about safety. Plus, I got myself a phone mount so that I can use it for my map, for Spotify. Make sure you charge up your e-bike all the way to 100%. You push this button to turn it on, turn the keys, check the lights to make sure they all work, and ride safely.